My name's Sue Grant from Berthon, and behind me is the amazing NOONMARK VI. Please do join us and have a look at the walkthrough video, and there's also some sailing footage. She is a remarkable Swan 56 in epic condition. Swan 56 NOONMARK from 1998. Absolutely stunning looking yacht. Built to MCA Category 0. Here in cruising mode in the Solent. Just stunning, German Frers good looks. She's been at 3 Swan Worlds with scoring 3rd and 2/4. She's got all the kit to race, and she's also a manageable and very beautiful cruising boat. Have a look at her and we'll get on to the walkthrough in a moment. Okay, so here's NOONMARK at Berthon on a rather wintry September day. Dark blue topsides livery. It's from 2012. It's all grip, flag blue. Very traditional Swan, red anti-fouling, that's all fresh. She's got a teak tow rail, always been professionally maintained. There's her CQR. When she's not in use, she's always covered, which is why she looks so good. The superstructure is still gel coat, looks fantastic. Most beautiful transom. Pop-up cleats. And she's got anodized spar, that's by Formula, but we'll talk about that a little bit more in a minute. Okay, on by boarding gate. Lovely wide side decks, very easy to work in a regatta environment, and she's also simple for cruising. She's got a Reckman furler which detaches for racing. She's got an Ocean 2 windlass, as you can see. There's also a kedge. These stunning teak decks are from 2017. They were done at HYS. They look just the same as when they went down. Just lovely. The rig is from Formula, polished aluminium, doesn't need painting. She had new rod and turnbuckles in 2019. She's only been out and been sailing once since then. All of the running rigging is off her when not in use. And of course she's got lots and lots of sails for cruising and also for racing from North, Quantum and One sails. I love this double cockpit arrangement. She's got access aft and in the centre, so when you're offshore, it's easy to get into the boat. She's got electric Lumar primaries and spinnaker runner winches. The primaries were new 2019. And she's got this amazing wheel and a gutter. I know twin wheels are really modern and popular, but this is a bit special. Controls for her main engine, which is the Yanmar. All the other Swan controls there, all in faultless condition. Very hard to imagine the age of this yacht. She's got spray hoods for both companionways and a larger spray hood for the centre one, running on B&G Hercules, analog and digital. She's also got a bimini for this aft cockpit and a 3-piece bimini as well. Do you see where the larger spray hood goes? Main sheet nice and out of the way. And then access into the main saloon. And now we can have a look below. NOONMARK has been everywhere and done everything. For a yacht that's done so much, the interior is extraordinary. Of course, she's got racing soulboards. She's wearing her cruising ones at the moment. Lovely Alcantara upholstery. Well-sorted galley. That's a good sea berth. And if you look at the hatches and the ports in the superstructure, there are no leaks, there's no stains. She's got these Nautor chairs, which are just the best chairs on the planet. And then in this galley, you've got Taylor cooker with 2 burners, oven, griddle, twin sink, quokka, microwave. Look at these holders for the mugs. That was fitted at Nautor. Corian surfaces, of course. And then, of course, she's got a fridge here. And underneath there's a freezer. That can be thermostatically controlled to be a fridge if you want to have cool rather than frozen food or tonic or whatever. And then this is really clever. You see this plate dividing these 2 upper and berth cabins. That can come out to make a lovely ensuite cabin if you're sailing with another couple. So they've got their own ensuite quarters forward of the mast. Lots of storage. All in excellent condition. And of course it's Nautor joinery. Big heads compartment with shower. Lavac, which is either manual or electric. All looking very fresh and very unused. So these are mirror image. Top berth can fold down. I think we'll just have a look at that. Harry, the amazing photographer, is doing this walkthrough for us. And then forward, this is for sail bins and it's for storage. You can have a couple of pipe cots in here. Huge 4-hatch for sail changes. And of course, if you're being really serious, you can use the cabins aft with the plate taken out. And then back down into this atmospheric main saloon. And then we can have a look at the electronics. She's got B&G Zeus with an iPad on deck, which is 2021, SSB, Iridium, Satcom. None of that is switched on at the moment. Of course, she's been down and done the Sydney Hobart, so she has all the comms you need. Nautor switch panel, which you will recognise, all in great shape. And then we walk aft into the owner's cabin with an access onto the deck. This is the owner's setup with a double cabin, double berth to starboard, and a sofa to port. This can be altered to make an upper and lower berth starboard side, and likewise to port, where you can have 2 further berths. So if you've got plenty of crew on board, you can sleep 4 in this cabin. She's air conditioned. Owner's ensuite heads, again with a shower, electrical manual loo, all in great nick. Plenty of ventilation on this yacht. And then access into the working cockpit. And then back, and we'll have a quick look in the engine room. Here we go, we've got a Westbeak 6 kilowatt generator, and then she's got the main engine, Yanmar, it's turbocharged, 96 horsepower, and she's got this incredible sound deadening. Very much a Nautor thing. And the water maker's just there. So the yacht is really very, very quiet when engine and generator, or both, are running. And then here, companionway steps lift up, and you've got epic access to the main engine. How cool is that? Look at the condition. Nothing's damaged or broken or messed around with. Just brilliant. Lovely table. TV hiding in the starboard side. There is a longer video which, if you would like, do have a look at, which goes into some of her many features in more detail. NOONMARK VI, a swan is after all a swan.